This will be a demonstration of a Transosseous X Box technique. What we've done here is place two passing sutures already, and I would call to your attention that we like to rotate down to achieve the biggest bone bridge. So we want to bring the transos down to achieve the biggest bone bridge. We then will use our retro passer to pull our sutures through. And this is a technique where we're saving time because we've passed these shuttles through the cuff. So we have one pass of the shuttles through the cuff. We've got our fixation points that have been done already with our transosseous technique. Then we're going to bring our triplets in. And we bring our triplets in. This would be done from the medial all portal. So we pull our sutures in. We found that triplets are a good balance between efficiency and strength. So here's all of our sutures which have been passed. Now we're going to select which color we're going to use for the mattress stitch. And I recommend using the same colors. So we'll select this purple color for the mattress. We're going to use this as a pull-through stitch here. And we're going to make an inverted mattress by pulling that through there. We'll just discard this one. This is the simplest beginning technique. Okay. Now we're going to decide which sutures are going to be the simples. And I would usually just go ahead and tie those. So I'm going to choose this color for the simples. We'll tie the knot low and lateral. So I'll tie the simples here. And then we'll tie this other simple. This would be pulled through the cannula. And tied here. Sliding, locking knot, or reverse half hitches. Okay, so now we've tied the simples and cut them and removed them. Now we had previously made our inverted mattress suture with this purple stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and tie that. So now we're down to the X part of which is the most confusing for people. So that's why I go ahead and get the box component out of the way. Here we're going to choose a medial posterior suture and a lateral anterior suture. We would bring these out of the cannula together. We'd select one as our passing stitch. Usually I pass from the top down. And so I'd pull this as the passing stitch. We're going to go ahead and just remove that. And here's the X component. We use the lateral limb as the post. And there's the X box with no knots on top. And we've got secure fixation, double row fixation with no anchors.